Yo, what is up, everyone? I am back with another reaction. Shout out to my boy Zong Pha and shout out to my boy Supryze. They just released this music video yesterday. So if you guys haven't seen this song, go check it out. I'm going to put it on the link down below in my description. So yeah, let's get into it.
You are looking to buy a new home or
Make sure I got the volume up.
Reach out to Kerr Vane with the Vane Real Estate's professional team at Creative Result.
Smoking Ninjas. Shout out Smoking Ninjas. Monk Tinder. Oh, that's a lot of sponsors. Shout out SON. Oh. My boy, Supryze. Too loud. See the monk clothes? This guy's good. Zong Pha is really good. He's really good at his melodies. I really love it. Hey. That's dope. Hey! Yo, that scene with Supryze on the building, that's nice. That is nice right there. That right, let me go back. That looks nice. Nice. That's nice right there. Hey. Hey. I like that scene. Hey. Let's go, Sue. Where'd y'all get that bed from, though? Nice. I like that jacket, bro. ZP always pulls through with the nice outfits in the music video, man. I gotta give him a lot of props for that. Sue, that headband, that's really nice too. I messed with it. Hey, that's a nice shirt right there. like that back and forth that they're doing right now. Nice. Yellow Diamond. Wow, that was ZPX's songs are always full of melodies, and the guy's vocals are crazy. It was a good song. I really enjoy all of his songs that he released. I love Supryze as always. He always kills it on every single song that he does. Great job to all the actors and the actress and the model. I know you guys all had to sit there and just look good, but y'all look good. Everything looked good. I love this song. I'll probably listen to it a lot more. And yeah, but that's my reaction for today. Shout out to everybody that did a great job in this music video. Much love to you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. For more videos like this is coming soon. Much love.